opening. Here he is. He's done it. Down goes with the legend. He's badly hurt.
Matapos tinumba sa loob lang ng first round, ang former IBO World Champion Gideon Butilizzi ay nakuha ng ating pambatong si Dave Apolinario ang bakanding titulo, ang IBO World Flyweight title. Matapos maging champion ay 3 banyaga pa ang magkasunod na tinudas ni Apolinario. Huling laban niya ay ginanap sa bansang Japan kontra pambato ng Thailand na si Tanis Songjungta. Bagamat bumagsak si Apolinario sa laban, ay nagawa pa din niyang makakambak at manalo via TKO sa bakbakan. Dahil dito ay sobrang napabilib ang kanyang promoter na Uhashi Promotion ng Japan. Kaya sa susunod niyang laban ay bibigyan na si kabayan ng world title fight, ang IBF World Flyweight title. Posibleng makalaban niya ang undefeated Mexican na si Angel Ayala Lardizabal para sa IBF World Flyweight title at gagawin ito sa bansang Mexico. May record itong Meksikano na 17 wins, 0 loss, 7 via knockout at may edad na 24. Habang 20 wins, 0 loss, 14 via knockout naman si Apolinario at 25 anyos. Parehong undefeated at parehong uhaw sa pandaigdigang titulo. Kung sakaling matuloy ang laban, kaninong kartada kaya ang unang madudungisan at sino kaya sa kanila ang makakuha ng unang pandaigdigang titulo? Bago ang laban ay balikan muna natin ang huling laban ng dalawa, Angel Ayala kontra knockout artist at former world champion Felix Alvarado at Dave Apolinario kontra Tanis Songjungta ng bansang Thailand. February 2, 2024, dumayo sa bansang Japan si Apolinario para kasahan itong tigasing Thai boxer na si Tanis Songjungta. Isang maaksyong laban, talagang literal na bagsakan. October 14, 2023. Isang knockout artist naman at former IBF World Champion ang nakalaban ni Angel Ayala. Ito ay ang pambato ng Nicaragua na si Felix Alvarado. Ginanap ang laban sa baluarte ni Ayala sa bansang Mexico.
Here in Mérida, Yucatan, Mexico. Salas, that was a WBC flyweight title eliminator. That was last April. Former IBF light flyweight champion. Felix,
You fade fast.
oh! That big shot you're talking about, Alvarado went rear.
And Ayala still unsteady. Alvarado.
Come around. I don't care. Don't you dare switches like that. He's comfortable doing it. He might want to find a way that's going to make sure he doesn't get tagged the way he's getting. He get dropped for the first time, and then he got hit.
That was a good counter by Ayala.
Been there, done that. Said he wants a chance to avenge us. I like it. Felix Alvarado's on the B side tonight. With the left hook as he's switching.
Oh, good uppercut by Ayala.
Yes, he did. It's of the third round. It's scheduled
Nice
for 12.
left hook by Alvarado. Good left hook by Ayala.
The chameleon.
This is good.
Oh,
boxing.
good right hand.
And Ayala needs the distance.
Trying to stay in the mix of the division.
This is a lot of pressure.
Businessman.
He's just not a fighter. He's a boxing promoter.
Yep. Yeah. He has his gemelo.
Oh, good left hook with the right hand. That
Body shot.
that body shot right to the gut.
Uppercut
Short
from
left
Alvarado
uppercut.
now. Alvarado did a good job with him. Bothering him. What a scrap live from Mexico it is, Oscar. This is a good one between Agua.
That was a nice left hook followed up with a right up. He's a dog.
Yes, he
He's
is.
gonna let it go. Whether that hand's broken or not, it hurt.
This is fun. Felix Alvarado is coming at you. 30 seconds to go in the round. Knows that everybody's against him. Nobody on the diaper, so he took a fight just to take it. This dude is struggling.
You know what? He doesn't, but he's letting it go. He's letting it go. And he's coming at you non-stop. Nice body shot right there by Ayala.
Ayala closing strong. Ow, a solid right for Ayala.
Nice right hook.
Good hook from
good right
Ayala.
hook with the left hook.
Oh man, they're going back and forth. Toe to toe. This is what you want. Golden Boy Fight Night in the Yucatan. Oh man. Oh man. This is good. This is fun. Ayala. Alvarado.
Ayala's having trouble landing the counters.
Oh, good body shot right above us. Ayala moved back with that body shot that Alvarado landed. Now Alvarado is on the ropes. Ayala trying to close the round strong and continue to build. And right from Alvarado. Body shot from Alvarado.
Follow with the left hook.
Good combinations. Halfway through the 12th and final round.
See the way Alvarado puts that forearm in his face and then he starts backing up.
Uppercut from Alvarado. Felix Alvarado. Hook from Alvarado. Body shot from Alvarado. Again.
Body shot.
He's not gonna go away easy. Felix Alvarado. Golden Boy Fight Night. They go at it. They put on a show in the Eliminator.
Texcoco, Estado de México.